welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pies, and I'm back with another video. But anyways, we're trying to go to church. We're a bit late or whatever, but I'm still trying to figure out what type of earrings I want to put on. Yeah. Still trying to figure out. Here we got these. Right? Hold on. But anyways, I'm trying to figure out what type of earrings we gotta put on. I look cute. Yes, I look cute. Okay. Okay, my hair is wet, so we're just gonna go in my room. Hey guys, yeah, I still trying to figure out, but I get some golden necklaces too. But first, we're gonna put on my mummy lashes, or we're gonna try to attempt to put on them. We're not sure, but let's try. Come out here.
Okay, this one?
Mm-hmm.
Fine, liquid.
There was a cut by rule.
Your video. Okay. I got some gold jewelry or whatever. Yeah. I saw. Okay. I'm literally deciding on these right there. And these are square ones right there. Let's try these sets because okay, they're better. They're better. I think we could go with this white purse. I don't think I even need a gold necklace. But I'm really looking at it. I don't think I need a gold necklace. Feels like that's a little too much. Let's keep it plain and simple. I'm coming. What? I'm gonna see y'all in the car. Yep.
Has to line up with his word. Sometimes when God tells you to do a thing, you can't find no reference nowhere. And sometimes, because you can't find a point of reference, you hold back on what God is telling you to do because you believe that it don't line up with the word. Let me make you understand something. When God spoke, Lord, can I teach this like I feel it is something? When God spoke to the prophets of old, or when he spoke to the forefathers, there was no Bible. They became the Bible. So they didn't have nothing to line up with because there wasn't no Bible. You say, Pastor, what are you trying to say? There's some things God gonna tell you in 2020, 2023, you ain't gonna be able to find no reference point for it. Let me say it like this then. You're going to be the first one in your family to do it. Okay, can I say that again? I said you're going to be the first one in your family to partner. I'm the free, and I declare you shall live a good life.
Okay, church was awesome. He was definitely preaching his word, you know what I'm saying? But I'm finna go get ready. We finna go to the beach. And I finna bring y'all with me. Yeah. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we going to the beach. Okay guys, we're in the car. We're going to the beach. We just picked up a person. One day you drifting out to sea, eh? Okay guys, I'm finally home. Okay, today was a 10 out of 10. Yes. Okay guys, I'm about to go to bed because I got school tomorrow. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for every time I post a video. Make sure you do that. Y'all don't want to miss a video. I'm telling y'all now, like y'all ain't gonna want to miss a video. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And I will see y'all guys in the next one. Bye guys.